everyone, David Zaklis with Zaklis Reeling Design. In this video, we're going to highlight what we call business to business. One of our local master captains, Master Captain Ricky, who runs a tour business. Wanted to introduce him and let him talk a little bit about his business. Ricky, tell us a little bit about your history, background, and experience as far as being a captain here locally.
Sure, thanks Dave. I appreciate the opportunity. Yeah, my name's Ricky Beasley. I'm a retired sheriff's deputy from here in Sarasota County. Worked with Dave many years. Did 28 years here at the sheriff's office. One of my duties during those 28 years was actually running the sheriff's office patrol vessels. We had a fleet of 3 vessels at the time, and I ran one of those for 2 years early in my career. And I really got to know the waterways here in Sarasota. Got to know some of the back canals, which most people don't know about. They go up and down the intercoastal all day long, and they miss out on a lot of the backwater and a lot of the beautiful parts of Sarasota County. And I retired back in August of 2016 and still have a desire to be around people. And I like to let people experience some nice parts of Sarasota County they would never see otherwise unless they were on a boat. So I started a charter business.
Give a snapshot of maybe one of your favorite spots that you like to take people out and tour, or tour yourself that's scenic, and maybe one of those hidden gems.
Sure. Down at Venice, we've got a little island down there called Snake Island. And Snake Island on the weekends is pretty crowded because everyone likes to go there. They anchor the boat out and they'll snorkel around and swim around to the island. Maybe find a shark's tooth or two, because Venice is the shark's tooth capital of the world. And they like to do that, and it's a lot of fun for the kids and a lot of fun for the adults too. On one of our dinner cruises, Pop's Tropic Grill down in Nokomis, a great place to go. Nokomo's the best smoked mullet fish dip you'll have. Put a little Serrano pepper sauce on it, and it's just to die for. Dockside down by Marker 4 in the city of Venice is another great place where you can go on the water, and I'll pick you up. We'll take a slow ride out on a sunset cruise. Now I think that's the best, because every sunset you think it's just water and the same sun every day, but everyone is beautiful.
Yeah,
it never gets old. Never gets old. So I'll pick you up. We'll take a slow ride out, see some of the beautiful homes there on Casey Key. The backside of it, we'll go out to Venice Inlet, go out there and watch the sun do its thing, and it does its thing nice most every day here. And once the sun goes down and it's dark, then we'll turn on the LED lights and we'll take a ride back to where I picked you up at. It takes about 3 hours,
okay.
and it's a great time.
Is there any other kind of tours that you give, or anything else that you do?
Yeah, one of the other packages that I think is very popular, especially with the younger people, is what we call tiki bar hopping. We've got tiki bars all along the waterfront. We've got the one up at Casey Key Fish House. We've got Spanish Point, now known as the Point now, by Marker 38 up in Dryman Bay. We go there, you go up and order their favorite drink. Rum runners are really good at Pops. Casey Key Tiki Bar has live music almost every evening, and as well as Pops and Nokomo's. They all have great drink specials, and they have live music most every night.
What hours, which days do you offer these tours? Is it like whenever somebody wants something, just give you notice? How can they schedule something?
Yeah, I'm trying to do, I'm looking at maybe doing an early morning one actually, so I'm gonna get up pretty early. So I'm available from 9 o'clock till 8 o'clock. But
Okay.
if it's a full moon night, man, we could ride out there at 10, 11 o'clock at night if that's what you want.
Okay.
You can do an a la carte thing with me. You can say, hey, I want like 3 hours of just getting to know the area. No problem. Come on board. I have a 27-foot game fish, center console. It's got great seating up front. If you want to be in the sun, you can do that. Or if not, I have shade for if you want to stay out of the sun.
Well, that sounds great. I'm glad that you shared that. And you know, that's one thing that we really enjoy down here is the water. A lot of times we don't stop enough to enjoy it. So I think I'm going to take Ricky up on one of his cruises here soon. So I appreciate everyone watching. If you have any questions, you want to reach out to Ricky, we're going to put the information down below. Please sure to click on that and just reach out with any more questions you have. Thank you for watching, and look forward to speaking with you again soon.